How to turn off YouTube notifications on mobile device. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find this profile icon. Click on it. The fun options will appear. Navigate to the option of settings. Head over to the option of notifications. Now from here, you can easily turn off YouTube notifications. All you have to do is toggle off for these icons in this way. After it turns gray, that means you have just disabled the notification. Once you disable notification for all of these, you'll be good to go. Likewise, another thing you can do is close this. Launch your setting. Scroll down, navigate to the option of notifications. Here you're gonna find different apps. Find the app YouTube. After you find it, open it. Now you will see the option of allow notification for YouTube. Toggle off for this option, and just for that you have totally disabled notification for your YouTube. So this is how you can easily turn off YouTube notifications on mobile device. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.